G here from OG Creations. June is Pride Month, and OGC is celebrating all month long. OG Creations is a safe space where you can express yourself how you see yourself. I am always excited to create a custom order that embodies exactly how you want the world to see you. If there is ever a time that you feel like you are in need to talk to someone, this life coach is just a DM away. Now I know, the USA is fucked right now, and it seems to the rest of the world that we celebrate stupidity over intelligence, conspiracies over fact, and wealth over those in need. At OGC, I know that kindness and understanding is key. And here, you have all of my love and admiration for presenting yourself exactly how you were born to be. Before we do anything, I have to say how much it warms my heart to see this fucking shit-stained miserable. I bet you can't even tell the difference between this pathetic wannabe dictator parade and the majesty known as Rebecca Ann Lehman's last few minutes on Earth before ending up in the belly of a swan. Talk about the best birthday gift ever. This week, we're going to do our best Elon Musk glitching out on ketamine. We are going to fold, and fold some more before applying our vibrant rainbowy shades. This shirt will be perfect for any celebration event all month long. And when you're shopping at OGC, you'll notice that it's priced so you don't feel gutted if you happen to forget it somewhere. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. Let's start with a white 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes, and then using a spin-only cycle, spun until practically dry. With the tee flat on my work surface, I place a ruler under the tee 2 rulers width above the hem. You're going to start the ruler towards you while holding on to the fabric, making a ruler-sized pleat. Press the fabric down firmly while slowly sliding that ruler out from one side, ensuring you don't fuck up your pleat. Again, place the ruler 2 rulers width above before you create a new pleat and repeat that same process. If you look at your shirt having pleated it on the horizontal, now we've got to pleat it on the vertical. Rotate your shirt 90 degrees or rotate your ruler 90 degrees and carefully repeat the same process. Once completed, you will be left with a square basket weave. But there's still one more step. Now you're going to gather this material the best that you can. I'm going to be using rubber bands as my guides. The rubber bands are spaced 2 inches apart so I can apply my dye powders equally to each section. With that folded tee on my dye rack, I apply my colors. I have pre-mixed equal parts dry dye powder with soda ash in small 4-ounce bottles. I use a piece of paper to protect the undyed shirt from the air puffs that these bottles create from time to time. The colors I will be using are Chinese red, orange crush, clear yellow, new emerald green, Houdini blue, and deep purple. I thought that would make it outside before the little spring shower had stopped, but nope, I had to create my own. With my garden hose on spray, I stand about 8 feet from the rack, point the nozzle to the sky, and try to replicate light rain. I let this fall on the shirt for about 5-10 minutes, and then I leave it outside for 1 hour. I would have left it outside overnight, but recently I've formed a very protective bond with a couple of the world's cutest raccoons that live in a 60-foot protected evergreen in my backyard. And those cute little paws would have taken the shirt, and I wouldn't have had the slightest clue where it went. Once the shirt is back inside, it's set aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I've added it to my Etsy store, ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. And during the month of June, use OGC Pride for an additional 15% off. I have made quite a few glitch tie-dyes over the last year or two, and I love them. They're eye-catching, different, and just a hell of a lot of fun. I hope you like them too. And before you go, I'm testing a theory. YouTube is more than a bit sensitive when it comes to the creation of my tie-dyed briefs, thongs, and jocks with long-format videos. So I'm sticking all of those over in the OGC Shorts channel. There you can find short videos from Hogwarts to Washington, D.C., Gay Pride to Eurovision Song Contest. Make sure to check them all out. And unfortunately, I have to say this, I hope all of you are taking some extra precautions to make sure you remain safe this Pride. Have an amazing month, and I'll see you next time.